Touch Item Setup in Maestro. In this video, we will cover how to create groups and touch item buttons in Maestro. Touch items allow for quick item entry without scanning barcodes, perfect for frequently sold or heavy items. To create touch items in Maestro, first go to Management, then find Touch Item Manager. All of the groups in the system will appear on the left side on the screen. If you select a group, the corresponding touch items will appear on the right side of the screen. To make a new group, select New, then enter a group name in the text box and press Save. Next, find the new group name in the list, select it, and press the Add or Delete Item button. In this screen, you can search for pre-existing items to add to the new group by typing the name in the highlighted text box. Select the items you want to add to the group. Then, press the Add button to add all of the selected items to the group. To save, press Edit Group or Item, then press Save. Now the items listed within the group on the left will be within the group in Symphony. Highlighted are previews of the Touch Item button that will be displayed in Symphony. If the text is overlapping, you can adjust the item caption and add double spaces within the name to indicate a new line in the Touch Item button. After adjusting the item name, make sure to press Save on the right side on the screen. Ensure all the text on Touch Item buttons are visible. Optionally, you can add images to touch items for easier identification using the Picture option.